Hello, my name is Chris Corrales with the CNC Factory. Today we're going to talk about MDF doors and dovetail drawer boxes. Many of our new customers ask just how easy it is to do it and can we do it? And the answer is yes, and it's very easy. Powered by Mosaic, we can go screen to machine, along with the integrated features of both the Viper and the Sidewinder, including a powerful 12 horsepower air-cooled spindle, helical rack and pinion on all axes, integrated auto push-up pins for easy loading, 6-zone vacuum, and of course, an automatic tool changer. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, now that we're at the control center, we're going to show you just how easy it is to make MDF doors. We're going to turn Mosaic on, and right from the beginning we have a job, we give it a particular number. In this case we said 1444. Now let's make some doors. We're going to go down, we're going to choose our door, put it right here. In this case we're going to say we want 2 of them. We enter the quantity 2. Are we okay with this width and size or height? Let's leave it as it is. Let's go pick another cabinet door, and let's just say we want 6 of these. And we want to change the width to 15. And let's change the height to 25. It's that easy. At this point, we're going to now go to our cut list, and we can see here our quantity, our width, and our height, the amount of parts, and the total square footage. We're ready to optimize. We select our material, we're ready to cut. Okay, we're back at the control center. We're ready to make dovetail drawer boxes. I'm going to start a new job, and in this case I'm going to call it 1555. Now let's put in our orders. We will go down, choose our drawer box, and we will then put the quantities in. Let's go with quantity 2. Let's keep the width at 20 and the height at 6. Let's change the depth to 21. Let's go down and let's choose another drawer box. And let's change the quantity on this one to 6. Let's change the width to 15.5. Let's keep the height the same, and let's change the depth to 21. It's that easy to put in your drawer box order. At that point, we're going to optimize, and we're ready to go. Cabinets to closets, the MDF doors and dovetail drawer boxes, the Viper and the Sidewinder from CNC Factory, they're ready to go. I want to thank you again for watching. My name is Chris Corrales with the CNC Factory. We're ready to make your CNC machine.